Hey folks, thanks for tuning back into my channel. Ben here with Ben Ventures. And on today's adventure, I'm going to be testing out this vehicle here, which is the all-new 2026 EV BZ in red, all-wheel drive. Should be a lot of fun. Before we get into the video, I just want to preface to say thank you to OpenRoad Toyota Port Moody for lending me the vehicle to test out. I've been driving it for the last 45 minutes or so. It's just a blast. It's so smooth. It's a great vehicle. I've owned a couple of Toyotas in the past, RAV4s and hybrids, and their staff are excellent. Their service is excellent. I remember waiting in the lobby while my vehicle was getting serviced, and they were sending me videos about what they were doing, all the things that I needed and didn't need, and I thought that was great. So all around, I'm extremely happy with them. But I wanted to give them a shout out before we got into the video. So let's now start talking about the specs of the all-new 2026 EV BZ. Let's get into it. Today we're checking out the all-new 2026 Toyota BZ all-wheel drive. This red one right here absolutely turns heads. First off, just look at it. This vibrant red paint really pops, especially under the sun. It gives the BZ this aggressive yet sophisticated vibe that feels intentional and not just another cookie-cutter EV. Now let's talk under the skin, because this isn't just about looks. The 2026 BZ all-wheel drive comes with a larger battery, around 74.7 kilowatts per hour, and Toyota says that translates to a greater electric range. On all-wheel drive trims like these, you're looking around 380 kilometers range on a full charge depending on trim and conditions. So the performance has seriously been stepped up too. Toyota moved to dual motors for all-wheel drive, and the combined output is around 338 horsepower, which gets this thing moving from 0 to 60 in roughly 4.9 seconds. Now that's pretty peppy for an SUV. And because it's fully electric, charging is a big part of the experience. The 2026 BZ features the North American Charging System, or NACS, port, meaning you can plug into thousands of high-speed charging stations, including Tesla superchargers, with DC fast charging capable of going from 10% to 80% in just under 30 minutes under ideal conditions. Inside, Toyota did not hold back on tech. You've got a 14-inch Toyota multimedia touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, customizable ambient lighting, and wireless phone charging, 2 of them, all in a clean, modern cabin layout that feels more premium than its price might suggest. Now, because this is an all-wheel drive model, Toyota also includes X mode and grip control, which help optimize traction in slippery or uneven conditions. So it's more confident in rain, snow, or loose gravel. And of course, safety hasn't been forgotten. Toyota Safety Sense Tech is standard with features like lane assist, adaptive cruise, and automatic emergency braking to help you keep protected on every trip. So to sum it all up, this 2026 Toyota BZ all-wheel drive in red isn't just stylish. It's powerful, smart, and practical. It's got great range, quick acceleration, modern interior tech, and real-world charging convenience, all wrapped up into a package that makes EV driving feel natural and exciting. So I've driven a number of kilometers so far, and it still shows that I have 330 kilometers left on the battery, which is awesome. So I think I'm just gonna drive around for a while and just test this out further. It's such a nice car. You know, I've always played with the idea of getting like a plug-in hybrid or a full EV. And the more I drive this, I mean, there's something to say about having fuel just as a backup, just in case, but I am just having so much fun with this EV. It's awesome. So it's pretty neat. It has a feature where if you're driving and maybe you're just looking away too long, it tells you that you're distracted. It says driver distracted or some sort of message like that. I thought that was kind of neat. So it wants you to keep your face and eyes on the road. That's pretty neat. This 14-inch screen is absolutely huge. Look at the size of that. Huh. All right, I've been driving for a while now, so I think it's time for me to jump out of the car and hit the trails. So I'm gonna head to a place called Gold Creek, which is a beautiful spot, and it's also beautiful during the summer. The water should be nice and green. So let's go check it out. Car definitely has a decent amount of pep, that's for sure, especially in comparison to my RAV4. I mean, you guys can just see how smooth of a ride it is. I mean, this road's pretty bumpy, but it is so smooth. There's 329 kilometers left on the battery. That's awesome. It feels like I've been driving for quite a while now. Got a bit more time left to kill and test the car out a bit more. So just made a pit stop to Alouette Lake. There's a rest area here where there's lots of picnic tables, and there's not too many people around actually. It's pretty quiet. Check it out. So what did I think about the 2026 all-wheel drive EV BZ? Well, I loved it. It was a lot of fun to drive. I've been driving, you know, gas and hybrid vehicles. I've never really tested an EV vehicle such as this. But it's sleek, you know, it's got all the bells and whistles that you want. And it's a lot of fun. So this vehicle is definitely one that I'm going to put on my list of potential future purchases when I decide to get rid of my other older vehicle. But once again, I wanted to give a shout out to Port Moody OpenRoad Toyota. Thanks again for letting me test this vehicle. And thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.